In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dropshipping product images with AI. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to open up your web browser and go to this website called unboundcontent.ai. So from here you want to create your account or log in. So let's just sign in. So now as we're signed in, just click here on the product photo generator. So here you can either upload a new photo. So I won't be uploading one. I'm just going to show you an example because there are some sample photos right here. So for example, let us select this bag. And from here, you can set a description about the background. So let's just say that this is on a green classy background, natural lighting. Now just simply click here on generate and wait for it to generate the AI generated photo. And as you can see right now, I have created the green classy background with a natural lighting. So after generating the photo, you just want to click here on download, and now you have a uh, product image that is created with AI. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.